Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT in its ERC20 form from Trust Wallet. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you moving your assets like a pro. USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, and using the ERC20 version means it's on the Ethereum blockchain, which is great for security and compatibility. But remember, crypto transactions involve risks, so always double-check everything. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone or device. Open it up and ensure you're logged into your wallet. Once you're in, scroll through your assets and locate USDT. It should be listed under the Ethereum network. Tap on it to select the ERC20 version. Now, hit the Send button. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a field to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Copy and paste it carefully to avoid any costly mistakes. Pro tip: always verify the address twice before proceeding. Next, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the gas fees, as Ethereum transactions require some Ether to cover network costs. If you're unsure, you can adjust the gas settings for speed and price. Once everything looks good, review the details one last time. Then, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to authorize it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After that, sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm. This usually takes a minute or two. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and staying updated on the latest crypto best practices. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring. See you in the next one.